get back to the bottom, you can always just click to the bottom. And when it's done, give it a second, it's still thinking there. And when it's done, you know it's done when it gives you these little tools across the bottom, okay? So notice it gave me 10 bullet points, some details about all the different benefits of how we can use ChatGPT in the audio video industry. It's as simple as that, okay? Now, again, remember my prompt, right? Pretty simple, nothing very specific. I just asked it a quick question and it gave me a pretty good response. But let's talk about some best practices on writing efficient prompts. So first of all, to write efficient prompts, you should provide a context. For example, here's an example of one. I'm going to tell ChatGPT, you are an experienced content writer with a high level of expertise and authority within the tech industry. Okay. Now, provided the task. So for example, I'm now telling ChatGPT, your task is to write content that will be published online, on websites, social media, email newsletters, and advertisements. Your writing style is informative, friendly, engaging, while incorporating humor and real-life examples. Great. Then you can provide it more instructions. So for example, I'm going to tell it, I will provide you the topics or series of topics, and you will produce an engaging article outline for these topics. And then, here's the cool thing, you can ask if it understands, ask it for clarity, or if it needs any clarity. So I'm also going to ask it, do you understand? There are going to be times where you give it a prompt and it's going to come back with questions to clarify more details about what you want. So I like to just build that in. Now, there is one more step if needed, and I do recommend it. Refine the prompts, all right?